Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will explain the function and use of regions in DecisionLender 4. Regions are a lender tool used to identify the geographical area a particular loan program serves. Regions can be used by lenders in rate sheets and reporting. The use of regions is optional in DecisionLender. Your company's system administrator is responsible for setting up regions. The system administrator is the person who controls the system settings for your DecisionLender site. This section will demonstrate how to set up regions. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. To create a region, click on the Setup tab. Click on Lender. Now click on Regions. Click on the plus sign next to the Regions list. The first field is Region Type. There are three possible types. The state type is chosen to create a region defined by states. The next field is Region Name. Enter a name for the region. Click on the Select States field. From the drop-down list, select the states you want included in this region. A state region can be comprised of one state or many states. Check the Active box to make the region active. Click the Save button to save the region. You will receive a message that the region was saved successfully. Click on the plus sign to create another region. This time, select Zip as the region type. Enter a region name. Click the Active box if you are ready to make this region active. Click the plus sign here to add the region zip code range. Enter the starting zip code and enter the ending zip code. This will be the range of zip codes this region will cover. Enter the city the zip code range is in. Enter the state the zip code range is in. You may also enter a comment in the comment field. This is optional. Click the Save button to save the region. You will receive a message that the region was saved successfully. Click on the plus sign to create another region. This time, select User Defined as the region type. Select this type to create a region based on your own parameters. Enter a region name. Enter a description for this region. Click the Active box to make the region active. Click the Save button to save this region. Once again, you will receive a message that the region was saved successfully. This section will demonstrate how to make changes to regions in DecisionLender. To begin, log in to DecisionLender. You will be brought to the main dashboard screen. Click on the Setup tab on the sidebar menu. Click on Lender. Click on Regions. Click the Edit icon next to the region you want to edit. The region's profile page is displayed. Now make your desired changes. Note that you cannot edit the region type field. For example, changing a state type to a zip type. If you need to change the type, you will need to delete the unwanted region and then create a new one with a different type. Click Save. A message will display indicating the region has been saved. To delete a region, click the trash can icon next to the region you wish to delete. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.